Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change chat widget language here in LiveChat. Alright, so first up, I'll log into your LiveChat account, and once you're in here, just go to the bottom left, click on the gear icon that says settings, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead over to this tab. Okay, now click on website widget, and under that we have language. Okay, and once that's done, as you can see here, we have the select language option. Just click on the drop down, and here we have a ton of languages. Okay, and by default, by the way, it is set to English. And as you can see here, we have Espanol, Romana, Portuguese, Polski, Italiano, and some other options. Okay, again, if you want to change it, you'll have the preview right here. Let's say I would like to change it to Espanol right here. As you can see, the question right here by the chatbot changed. Okay, don't forget to hit on save, and you can go ahead and test it out right into your web as well, or website. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.